Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. Round 8 begins with joining your fourth color of yarn to your crochet hook with a knot. You can use a slip knot, square knot, does not matter. And you want to join your yarn in any chain 3 corner from round 7 on your motif. And we'll join with a slip stitch in the chain 3 space, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work a second double crochet in that space, chain 3, and 2 more double crochets in that same chain 3 space. And then we're going to work 1 double crochet in each stitch across to the next chain 3 space. Okay, once you work 1 double crochet into each double crochet across, then in the chain 3 corner you'll work 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets. And so our repeat for this round is to work 1 double crochet into each double crochet and 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in each corner. This is exactly what we'll do on rounds 8, 9, and 10. At the end of the round, you want to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. And that's what the end of round 8 should look like. Rounds 9 and 10 are ultimately the same thing. We're going to do a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 1 double crochet into each double crochet, and work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in each chain 3 space. So because we're doing increases in the corners, the stitch count will change at the end of each of these rounds, but ultimately we're doing the same thing. We're working 1 double crochet into each double crochet and 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in each chain 3 space. And at the end of each round, slip stitching to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. Okay, next we're going to join the motifs to each other, and at the very end of part 2 instructions, it tells you want to join 6 motifs in a 1x6 strip and 3 motifs in a 1x3 strip. And how we're going to do that is very simple. We're going to, once we finish the end of any round 10, we're going to slip stitch across to a corner, okay? And chain 1. Then you want to hold 2 motifs together with right sides facing, so that's the front of each motif facing each other, so you're looking at the back side of each motif. And we're going to pick up our work and slip stitch through both thicknesses. So we're going to slip stitch into that chain 3 space on our working motif, and holding the new motif that we're joining to on the bottom, we're going to slip stitch into both chain 3 spaces. Whoops. And then you want to insert your crochet hook into the first double crochet on both motifs and slip stitch through both thicknesses and through the loop on your hook. So we'll insert our crochet hook now into the next double crochet on the front motif and the next double crochet on the back motif and slip stitch through both thicknesses. You want to repeat this across the entire length of both motifs and work into the chain 3 space also on this side of the row. And once you've slip stitched into this chain 3 space, then you can fasten off. Okay, our final slip stitch is worked into the chain 3 space on the next corner through both thicknesses, and then you can fasten off, and we have 2 motifs joined along one side. You want to repeat this for 1 strip of 1x6 motifs and then a second strip of 1x3 motifs, and that counts as 9 of the motifs. And just to point out, there should be 2 more motifs, motifs 10 and 11, and their use is not revealed in part 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. And if you check out the video description, I've provided links for everything we talked about in this video. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.